Elite Auto Detailing has been serving Nampa since 2012. We pride ourselves in customer satisfaction and aim to be the best, offering a swirl-free guarantee and 100% customer satisfaction with every detail. Being in the industry for over 20 years, we understand that in order to provide the best services, you need to utilize the best tools. Equipped with top-of-the-line equipment and products, we're able to offer variety packages including ceramic coating and interior cleaning for your vehicles and toys. We're able to protect cars, trucks, RVs, boats, semis, motorcycles, and more. For the first time ever, we're offering our March Madness special. Well, you'll get $50 to $100 off a package detail and 50% off headlight restoration. To access these deals and book an appointment, visit our website at eliteautodetailingnampa.com. Contact us today and see how we could help you.